4, 3, 2.
Hi, I'm Tara Hardy. I'm here to tell you all about Read, Write, Roar Preschool, and this is our video chart. So Read, Write, Roar Preschool currently has 12 videos for you to watch at home with your child, or you can set your child up for them to watch it by themselves. Each video teaches your child all about some of the reading and literacy essentials that they need to know to be ready for school. If you scan this QR code right here at the top, it will take you to each video. Once your child completes the video, whether it's on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, you'll take a sticker, put it right on the square, and call it done. This is a nice durable sheet that you could hang up on your refrigerator or put it somewhere near. If your child wants to watch a video more than once, that's what you absolutely can. It's not gonna hurt. A lot of times when we watch things over and over, we tend to learn new things. You'll see they're labeled what each video is here, and then the back side is the other set of videos. So a total of 12 videos. We encourage you to use this to help motivate your child to learn how to read at home. Thanks.